Let's talk about USCIS file transfers. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. USCIS gives you the ability to sign up for electronic alerts whenever something happens on your case. And in my mind, those electronic alerts are more there's a question as to whether they're a blessing or a curse. And so obviously there's great information that you can get, and it's nice to be able to track your case. But sometimes too much information is a bad thing. What do you mean by that, Jim? Well, what I mean is that we have some clients who sign up for electronic alerts on their case, and I'm glad that they do. Of course, we do that for them, and there's no real reason for them to do that, but they like to do it, and it makes them feel better to have the ability to monitor their case. And one of the alerts that comes through from time to time is you'll see that a case has been transferred from one service center to another. So depending on where you live and what kind of application it is, the case will get sent to one of the service centers around the country, to the National Benefits Center, or there's one in Potomac, or one in Vermont, or California. There's all these different service centers, and sometimes some service centers are busier than others, and you'll see an alert that your case has been transferred to another service center. And the problem is that just throws the clients all up in arms, and they're wondering, oh my God, what's happening? Why is my case being transferred? Something must be going on. Something must be wrong. It's not the case. It's just for workload purposes that, like I said, the offices aren't as busy as other offices. You can't read too much into it. And of course, generally, if you're talking about the National Visa Center or an embassy or USCIS, I don't put much stock in what they say electronically. So a lot of that stuff is automated, and it's just a matter of people clicking on something on a file or scanning something with their barcode. And so a lot of these alerts are automatic and electronic, so you can't put too much stock in them. So I try to tell our clients, don't get too worked up about electronic alerts. And then of course, there's also alerts that a case has been sent to the field center, and clients will get all excited, woohoo, that means their case is set for an interview. But I've seen cases that get sent to the local field office, sit there for continued delay. So you can't read too much into it. Really, when it comes to USCIS, you just have to go with what is in front of you, go with what actually happens, and don't put too much stock into these electronic alerts. So I understand the excitement, I understand the desire to know what's going on, but at the end of the day, if I were you, if I were applying for immigration benefit, I would file the application, and then I wouldn't think about it until I had to. I wouldn't spend so much time just like click, 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 hey, what's going on in my case, what's going on in my case, what's going on in my case? I know that's easy for me to say. I'm a big white guy who was born in St. Louis and is a natural-born U.S. citizen, so I know that's easy for me to say, but at the same time, I just want you to be peaceful and happy, and I don't want you to be stressed out, and those stupid electronic alerts probably are more trouble than they're worth. Hope this video makes sense. If you have questions about your case, or about that your case has been pending for too long, give us a call, 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And if you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we make videos just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.